want to fix this? You want to get it fixed? You want to get your boo-boo hole fixed? Yeah? You want your boo-boo hole fixed? You're so cute. I love my Vicky. Look, that's why it's Vicky. I know, baby.